Today we'll talk about the obligations that every LLC owner is supposed to have. Every year I get asked this question and I want you to be prepared ahead of time. When you register your LLC, what actually happens is that, number one, we assign you a registered agent. The registered agent is the person on file with the state on the state level who will receive all correspondence for your business and then pass on the information to you. Now, you need somebody to be on file with the state, and by law, it is required that whoever is on file, including their address, the address has to be a physical location in the US. Second thing after you form your LLC is that you're going to get your company formation, articles of organization, certificate of formation, and all that good stuff. Then you apply for your EIN, and then immediately after that, you can apply for your bank account. Now, this is not where things end. There are two obligations that you need to fulfill every single year. The first one is on the state level, which is the state annual report. Almost every LLC is required to file an annual report, and the due date for this varies. There are some states that require you to file on the first day of the month of the anniversary of your LLC. So if your LLC was formed June 2020, then your LLC anniversary of June 2021, on the first of the month, you're going to be required to file your state annual report. Now, unlike many of these reports, you don't actually have to file a lot of forms. You just need to pay the fees, and if you pay a professional to help you do this, it's usually very easy and hassle-free. Now, that's on the state level. The second thing that you also have to do on the state level is to appoint a registered agent, which you did when you were registering the company, but you also need to maintain the registered agent. So for somebody to remain your registered agent, especially if it's a professional, not your friend or your family, then you have to keep paying for them to stay your registered agent. So you have to keep paying your registered agent fee. Some of you leave your registered agent fee to go stale, you don't pay your invoices, and then what happens is that we remove your company from under a registered agent from the state, and then that puts you into trouble with the state and could lead to a fine. So on the state level, you have to do your state annual reports and you have to do your registered agent fees. Now, on the federal level, you have to file your taxes each year. If you're a single member LLC, that's usually around April to June. And then if you're a multi-member LLC, your deadline is actually in March. So just remember that date. Even if you forget everything else, remember that date. On the state level, they are usually more lenient and there's a grace period. But with the IRS, they are a little more strict and they actually give out a lot of fines. So, as an LLC owner, you want to plan for all of these expenses. If you watch my video about the bank accounts that you have, you see that I mentioned that you should have accounts for your taxes. So all of these registered agent fees, state annual reports, and your federal taxes filing will come out from that tax account. This helps you stay prepared ahead of time for your taxes and you're not caught by surprise. And if you actually make money in your company, then you'll be able to save a percentage of it towards these expenses, and it will help you stay away from late filings and hence fines. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I will respond as soon as possible. If you need help forming an LLC, you can send us a message. You go to our website alphafilings.com and we'll be happy to help you. I'll see you in the next video.